Not every Chevelle convertible needs to have SS emblems on it. This is a really nice example of a Chevelle Malibu convertible. The gentleman that we acquired it from has owned it the last 36 years. He, for real, spent $70,000 doing a body off frame restoration on this car. It's like brand new. I don't know how many miles are on it since he finished it, but not many at all. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you can read all about it and look at all the pictures. That's where you find a price tag along with the monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com. We also have a buy it now button on every car, so if you're afraid of losing it, click that button and it'll lock it in until you have a chance to talk to the salesman. If you enjoy our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, you'll be notified when the next one's posted. But for right now, join me. Tops down, let's go for a spin. Yeah, underneath the car is really clean. Like I said, they took the body off the frame. The floors, the braces, the rockers are just spotless, pristine metal. They're smooth. They're painted a semi-gloss black. All the chassis components, the frame and A-arms, it's all clean and smooth and painted. The front end all looks brand new. All the steering, suspension components, all fresh. Same thing in the back. It has upgraded boxed rear control arms. I think I've seen KYB gas shocks. The springs are new. It has a new factory type dual exhaust system underneath there. Brakes have been rebuilt and maintained as needed, in perfect working order. The e-brake is all hooked up. You look up at the motor, it looks spotless. It is a new crate motor from Jegs. It's just clean Chevy orange. Starter looks new. Flywheel cover looks new. Turbo 350 automatics, nice and clean and works beautifully. Has a 10-bolt rear end in the back. So under the car, show quality. Let's check out the body. It was a professional shop that did the body and paint. So I'm going to say it's probably better than new from what I see so far. But the gaps, right on the money. Smooth as Teflon, even along the bottom. That is slick. The hood is square. Chevelles have problems lining up right around here, and they got it spot on with this car. This is as good as the best ones I've ever seen. That's really, really nice gap. A lot of people say, yeah, the car is straight. This is laser straight, not a ripple. It is absolutely beautiful. Down the sides of the car is straight. All clean metal, smooth, clean, real nice. Body is outstanding. Trunk lines up real nice and square. It does have the typical hairline crack. It's following right inside that groove there. That's what the convertibles get. The body is A++. The paint is A++++. It is polished like red glass, cranberry red, and it is smooth and slick as they get. I don't see flaws. I'm sure maybe you could find one and prove me wrong, but I don't see a nick. I don't see any cracking or shrinkage or anything. It's just absolutely slick. Convertible top, there's pictures on our website. That's all new. I think it was a white top. Pretty sure, yeah, it was a white top. It is a white top. Back bumper is new. Tail lights look new. The moldings are nice and shiny. All the window seals, door handles look like new. The mirrors, all this stainless. This has actually been polished. This isn't just out of a catalog. This is all shiny. New windshield. Cragar wheels are new. They're 15-inch. BF Goodrich tires. A little bit wider in the back. Everything up here is sparkling. All the lenses, bumper, all looks real nice and pretty. So that's the outside of the car. Let's open it up, see what the inside looks like. See what it looks like in the trunk. Well, the bottom side of the trunk lid is about as slick as the top side. The hinges, the jambs, slick as can be. It does have full quarter panels. There's zero rust in them. New weather strip, trunk mat, all clean metals, spatter painted real nice. Well liners replaced. It does have a jack and spare assembly. Car, by the way, is a 1971. I didn't mention that. I did mention it has new window seals. It looks like the seals on the door panels might be original to the door panels. The outer ones look new. Jambs are painted real slick, weather strips replaced, door panels, armrest, window cranks, that all looks new. The vents, instrument panel, dash pad, all of this is really clean. The shift indicator works. Heater controls, all of this is beautiful. Power top, retro stereo, vents over here, new. The knobs look new. Glove box light works. Carpet's real nice with mats. We ran this through the shop. The only thing we had to do is recalibrate the speedometer. It was 10 miles an hour too fast. It's the only thing we found. All the upholstery, the cushions, headrests, all that's in great shape. It has all the original seat belts, all redone in back. All looks beautiful. Got the bench seat. You can sit by your sweetie. Steering wheel horn looks new. The mirror, good original. Visors look nice. You take your car to a restoration shop, this is what you hope it looks like when you pick it up and pay the bill. This hood opens so smooth too, I was noticing. Nice and square. So that is a Crate 350 motor. Has an aluminum intake that's painted orange. And it also has an Edelbrock carb. HEI ignition system hiding back there. And I like how they put it all back. Look at the air cleaner. Oop, the tube is supposed to be up here. It's got the tube and the heat shield and even the heat shields around the spark plugs. All this is painted nice and clean and smooth. Alternator looks new. And then the water pump, fuel pump, all that stuff was replaced. Has an aluminum radiator hiding underneath the cover here. It's got the shroud and all the pulleys and brackets, everything's real nice. Power steering, new steering box. Power brakes, that system's new. Squirters are hooked up. You have a show quality car here that you're just going to go and enjoy and cruise. Just comfortable car, turn the key, go enjoy life. You know, it's a nice day for a convertible ride. If I didn't have 3 more videos to do, I would just keep right on going. So again, this is a professional quality build. This isn't someone in their garage, putting the car together. This gentleman did it. He owned the car a long time. While he was restoring it, he did not plan on selling it. So my point is it was done right. They didn't cut corners, and it's real obvious if you were here looking at the car like I am. Door shuts so nice. And again, this hood shuts so nice and square. Nice. High quality Chevelle convertible. Go to volocars.com. Talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions. They'll help get it delivered to your door. They'll help you finance it. Heck, I was thinking you're just paying the restoration. The car is free and you don't have to wait. It's done right now. Go to volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon so you're notified and you'll see what's coming next. Thanks for watching.